Okay, so I've just been running it on 50/50 for quite a while now. 3 hours, 4 hours. Then I turned it over to running only on hot oil, yeah, because I had a pretty high temperature, and I think I've got a high temperature at the bottom at the moment. I've got about 235 on the silencer bit just here. But eventually, even though it was on number 3 I was running, it was just too thick for it. You could not do it. It didn't want to carry on. Well, it did carry on running, it never shut off. But it started to smoke. I just want to show you how that supercharger works, because with this other microphone, it should be able to pick up the roar as I'm trying to clear it. Whoa, there we go. Oh, look at that cloud of shit that come out the back end. Yeah. You can hear the roar like as when you first start it up. Yeah, you get that boom. Yeah. That's what it's doing now. It's because I really clogged up the chamber. Oh, you see how I went all over the place then. Hold on, it's down to 12 or something. Oh, that's it worse again. So we got some shit stuck somewhere. I've got a tailpipe. Oh, have we found out? Yes, we have. We have found out. Both pumps off. Fans on. Cool down. Well, have a look at some of this. Yeehaw! So I'm holding it down. Pumps are switched off, so I'm not feeding it anymore, but you should see the crud coming out the arse end of that. Okay, I'll keep the O2 sensors on for now. Right, where's it? Looks like it's still scavenging oil from somewhere. I don't know how. The pumps are off. Unless it's just cleaning out the chamber. Let's put the glow plug on. See if I get another cloud. No, yeah. So I will carry on running with that supercharger and the main fan. There we go. Right, so now we're running absolutely on the mat, flat out, clearing itself out. And it is clearing itself out. So even though I heated the oil, I must admit, the oil when I put it in there, it was proper shit. Real shit. I think I was a bit wishful thinking, even though it's heated up. But it was happy to run on 50/50. But it wasn't happy to run on its own. Is it clearing? Yeah, it's clearing. Tailpipe is clearing. See, this is what I wanted to be able to do in the first place, because it never gave you the option. Let me turn this shit down for a minute. In its original setup, it never gave you the option to be able to clear out without stripping it all down, which used to drive me potty. But at least now I do have that ability, just like on a 2-stroke, yeah? When you know you fouled the plug up. If you can rev it, it will clear eventually. Oh, that's good. All transformers decided to turn off. Okay, let's have a look, see if there's anything left in the burn chamber. And clearly hear it. I'll bring that one up as well because it will help. Right, just the main fan running and the supercharger. Let's have a look at it. Hi, Stinky. Okay, just cleared. Have a bit of glow plug. Come on, warm up your arse. Now, if there's any oil or anything left in there now, by me relighting it, it should have gone boom. Which means, to me, that means it's clear. And we'll restart. Shut that down. Got an E6, which is, I don't know, can't even remember what E6 is. Fault of fan. Yeah, whatever. Right, clearer codes. Not the live, do the earth. Yep, so just do the earth. Because it is only the earth that sends the fault code. You got popping out fuses like you used to be able to do. It don't work anymore. So you have to do it by the earth lead. Okay. No faults? Nope. Okay, we'd like glow plug first. Alright, just a normal startup then. Off you go. Oh, yeah, it's quite clever actually. It said E4, yeah, it would have, because I've got the pump switched off. Right, back to, right, you can see. Right, we've got an E4, which is an oil pump failure, because I had it switched off. Right, to clear the code, again, off with the earth. Let the chip drain down. If you're really in a rush, yeah, you just disconnect the power and the earth together and touch two together, and that will then discharge all the chips. Okay, wakey. Alright, here we go again. Cycle frame. Let me see if this reasonably warm, so that overflow pipe is doing something. Okay, we're down to the 1200 RPM. And as soon as I hear that pump, I will put my glue plug on as well. I've left the bloody microphone there. I hope you've been hearing me. Otherwise all this is in vain. Right, clip it there. And what do we got? Yes, glow plug. And fan batteries are noisy. End of days for that, I think. Mind you, that was the first one. That's like 3 years old, that motor. Here we go. Right, now glow plug. Right, come on. Let me hear you go whoosh. Come on, whoosh.